Hello my friends, welcome back to another video of Tech Cover. Today in this video I just want to show you how to view this kind of photos if you just receive it in your WhatsApp for the second time. For example, this photo just you can view it one time, but if you just want to view this again you cannot. But I want to show you now the trick about how we can view that. Go on the profile, then scroll all the way down. You can see we have export the chat, then go attach the file. And after that you're gonna wait a few seconds, then you're gonna save that here on to file. Now you're gonna choose any folder here on your iPhone devices gallery, so whatever just gonna choose, it will be saved over there. So once I click on done, you can see the photos and chats has been saved over here. So where you can find out, you can open the files, go back on my device, and you can see this is the chat. We have to unzip this one, so tap on it. You can see we got that folder, and you can see this the photo we just viewed and the chats. So this is all about how to view one-time viewable photos here in your WhatsApp. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends if you like the video. Don't forget to hit the like button. See you until next quick tutorial videos. Bye bye my friends, peace.